So my 2 month summer vacation of IIT Guwahati is over. Today is the last day of me in my home, and tomorrow I have to leave for IIT Guwahati. And after even reaching to the campus, I have no liberty to enjoy the peace for a moment because I have to shift my things from one hostel to another hostel because it's my final year and we are going to give in our single room finally, because in previous year we had to share our room with our roommates. So finally we are very excited to leaving your home after a vacation like summer vacation, winter vacation, or even after any short break feels like, yes, you have to again adapt something new. So when it's time to leave the campus, then I used to feel, no, maybe little more time I need to stay in the campus because I'm feeling good. And again, side by side, I feel like, no, I have to go to home. I need a therapy. I need my home cooked food by my mother or me, anyone else in my home. Just I need a therapy session in my home with my foods, my comfort zone, my room, and etc. Everything in my home. Okay, and when I finally come to my home, I start to miss my campus very badly. So again, when the time of returning back to the campus comes, then the feeling just reverse. I feel like, okay, maybe a little more time, I need to stay in my home, but there is no time left. Everything is end, 2 months is over, so I have to return now. Now side by side, two kind of feelings run equally. One is, I feel like not to leave my home, and side by side, I also want to reach at the campus. So it's kind of a dilemma, transition, adaptation, and obviously the most important, learning new things every day. Before leaving the campus or before leaving the home, the most hectic and important part is packing. And after going to the home or after going to the campus, again the most hectic part is unpacking and arranging all of your things. I have no idea what everyone feels here, but it seems for me like running into a loop. But honestly speaking, there was a time in my childhood when I used to like these things, like packing my things by myself in a luggage, and this part was the most important and most exciting for me. But now I feel like, okay, I just have to do. So let's do. So this is the things what I have to pack right now in this particular one luggage, because I don't want to increase the number of my luggages, what I used to actually do earlier in the beginning of my hostel days. So now I am experienced that the more luggages you will carry, it will be more hectic for you. It will be just a burden for you. So yes, I just don't want. I have to fit everything in this particular one luggage at any cost. So let's do it. Now I have this and this mess and this thing, everything, also my shoes, everything, and books and everything. Now I have to put everything in it, one luggage, whether it's books, my other things, and this dresses and shoes, everything in one luggage. Let's try. So finally I have packed everything in one luggage and two backpack. Now one last thing is remain late, which is this book. So this is D.H. Lawrence's Sons and Lovers. It's finally time to go and I'm ready completely. Now I have to leave my home now. And yes, now it's time to leave home. After a walk and a rickshaw ride, I have reached in the station of my local area, and I have to now take the local train to reach at the nearby station of the metro station. So this is the Shialda railway station, and from here I will take the metro. This is the Shialda metro station, from where I will take the metro to reach at the Howrah station. So this is the connectors which is now working very well. It's amazing. Earlier I have to take bus or taxi, and the problem in bus was it was too much time taking because of the huge traffic, and taxi drivers used to take lot of price, lot of money. But now this metro railway but now this metro connectivity is working amazingly for a lot of people. Like it just takes 10 minutes to reach Howrah station from Shialda. This blue light defines that the train is now running under the river. You just cross the river within 5 minutes or even lesser than that. Finally, I have reached at the Howrah metro station. Now I'll exit. I have reached at the Howrah railway station from the metro station. So this is the Howrah railway station from where I have traveled multiple places from my childhood, and this railway station is such a memory for me from my childhood. Whenever I reached, it feels different every time. Currently, I am feeling like it's my Hogwarts Express, which is waiting for me, and everyone is just boarding. I will also board after a few minutes, and after that, we all reach at the Hogwarts School of Wizardry and Witchcraft. It is heavily raining outside, and lot of passengers actually missed this train, and some of them caught the train with a very rush. Weather is becoming slowly very cool and nice, and I always love to see from the window this kind of scenes and sceneries. I used to love to watch this view from the window of the train from my childhood. It was like a superb entertainment for me from that time. So maybe for this reason, train journey is always a very soothing memory for me, a soothing journey for me, excitement for me. The train is entered already in Assam, and slowly we are reaching towards Guwahati station. Finally, I have reached at Guwahati, and I love the sky here. It's so pretty clear blue. I can't even imagine, I can't even ignore the white clouds, the blue sky. So I took a rickshaw to reach at the bus stop very early, as if I can catch the campus bus, and it will just take 5 to 7 minutes. So I'm now having a rickshaw ride with my luggages, and I'm alone completely. So it's pretty tough for me to handle everything by myself. So I reduced my stress having a rickshaw ride. So this is the way from where I came by the rickshaw. It's pretty straight. It's absolutely straight way from the Guwahati station, and you have no need to take any U-turn or any turn from this area. This is the landmark, SBI E-Corner. You have to find it after coming straight, and this is the area from where I will actually enter. Give you a feel like not to enter, but please do enter. It is a shortcut to reach at the bus stand, campus bus stand. And after walking from there, I reached at the bus stand. Bus for Hogwarts. And I really enjoy the view while I ride the bus, the campus bus, because it's literally hustle free. And this is the point from where the bus takes the turn towards the IIT. And after reaching at the campus, I have no free time right now because I have to shift my hostel. Now this is my new room in new hostel which I have to arrange, and I'm so tired. I didn't take rest after even reaching at the campus. Just had my lunch and that's it. Okay, the view is pretty good. It's nice, like watching mountains while you are lying down on your bed and watching sunset. And after a week, this is now my room after all the arrangements are done. So I have transformed the new room at the new hostel like this way, and I always wanted to do some space like that for me. Yes, I know it's a bit hot here in the third floor, but I like the view from the window. Like I can watch the sunset from my room, sitting on the bed over the mountain. It's amazing. And so you have to sacrifice something to have something else. I love the combination, the clear blue and the green and the sunshine. I loved it. The mountains, clouds, sky, greens. I loved all of this so much. So I actually enjoy this room very, very well in comparison to my previous room. So this is the view at the night. I arranged this yellow light. I liked it so much. It gives me a feel like my home, a aesthetic vibe, a nostalgic vibe. So this video is ending here. Bye.